Hi there. In this video, me and my friend will talk about the soil pollution. But first, we should know about what the soil pollution is. So yeah, what is the soil pollution?
Soil pollution is a condition where man-made chemicals enter and change the natural soil environment. The dangerous substance that enters the soil is then deposited as toxic chemical in the soil, and it can have direct impact on polluting water and the air above it.
That's correct. But there are so many things that can pollute the soil. But most of them are come from these three. So, what are they?
The sources of soil pollution are 1. Human-made fertilizer. Urea, ZA, phosphate are artificial fertilizer that is used the advances in science and technology that can pollute the soil when used excessively. And then the second, polymeric materials. Plastic is a polymeric materials that is decomposed slowly. It can cause the circulation of oxygen and the water in the soil is obstructed. And the third is waste or trash. The big amount of garbage slow down microorganisms in scattering the garbage due to the incomparable amount. As a result, there are a lot of garbage mountains around us.
So, what is the government's strategy to handle the soil pollution? The first one is the separation of organic and non-organic waste. The government implements a landfill saving program, that is by carrying out the separation of types of waste. The government needs to provide separate bin between the organic and non-organic. The easiest example of the organic waste is all of these food waste. And the closest example of non-organic waste is this, the plastic bottle. The second is using closed container. It will be more efficient while moving the trash from the temporary dump site to the final dump site instead of using this.
And the third is waste management. The waste management is when the waste is turned into something that is more beneficial. For example, some organic waste can be turned into compost and can be done by using this methodology. The first is aeration methodology. The second is turning over methodology, and the third is open air methodology. And that's all from our explanation about soil pollution. I hope you can understand and be aware of the soil pollution. If you like this video, please click the like button, share and subscribe this channel. So, thank you.
Today I'm going to explain about the air pollution. So this group is divided by me, Jibril Ahmad Abdillah, and my friend Nilam Sari. So, what is air pollution? Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. Car emissions, chemicals from factories, dust, pollen, and mold spores may be suspended as particles. Ozone, a gas, is a major part of air pollution in cities. When ozone forms, air pollution is also called smoke. Some air pollutants are poisonous. Inhaling them can increase the chance you'll have health problems. People with heart or lung disease, older adults, and children are at greater risk from air pollution. Air pollution isn't just outside. The air inside buildings can also be polluted and affect your health. This is an example of air pollution. In our country, Indonesia, is a really dangerous air pollution effect due to the air index ranking released by the realtimeairindex.com. Indonesia currently is in number 129 and have some unhealthy spots such as Jakarta, Balikpapan, and also Jambi. Causes of air pollution. Various causes of air pollution is, the first one is the burning of fossil fuel. Sulfur dioxide emitted from the combustion of fossil fuel like coal, petroleum, and other factory combustibles are one of the major causes of air pollution. But this overuse is killing our environment, as dangerous gases are polluting the environment. Carbon monoxide caused by improper or incomplete combustion and generally emitted from vehicles is another major pollutant, along with nitrogen oxides that is produced from both natural and man-made process. The second one is agricultural activities. Ammonia is a very common byproduct from agriculture-related activities and is one of the most hazardous gases in the atmosphere. Use of insecticides, pesticides, and fertilizers in agricultural activities has grown quite a lot. They emit harmful chemicals into the air and can also cause water pollution. The third one is exhaust from factories and industries. Manufacturing industries release a large amount of carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, organic compounds, and chemicals into the air, thereby depleting the quality of air. Manufacturing industries can be found at every corner of the earth, and there is no area that has not been affected by it. Petroleum refineries also release hydrocarbons and various other chemicals that pollute the air and also cause land pollution. The fourth one is mining operation. Mining is a process wherein minerals below the earth are extracted using large equipment. During the process, dust and chemicals are released in the air, causing massive air pollution. This is one of the reasons which is responsible for the deteriorating health condition of workers and nearby residents. The next one is effect of air pollution on the ozone layer. The air pollution can also affect on our ozone layer. Therefore, the air pollution can cause several things. The first one is cause many myeloma cancer, which is really dangerous for our children and young generation. Second one is risk cataract cases. The third one is inhibits invulnerability in human. And then increased cases of eye damage due to photochemic. Decreased food production, and the last one is cause death of protected animals. The things that can be done in an effort to increase awareness and maintain the ozone layer. The first one is cessation the use of CFC in aerosol spraying, and then stopping the use of plastic foam using CFC. Prevent the use of CFC, halon, methyl, chloroforms, and carbon tetrachloride. And the last one is fair recycles on air-conditioned cars. The next one, I want to explain about the greenhouse effect. There are several efforts that can be made to reduce the greenhouse effect. The first one is reduction in use of fuel oil, and then reducing the use of coal, the use of filters to reduce CO2, and the last one is producing environmentally friendly vehicles. Respiratory disease due to air pollution. The first one is chronic bronchitis. Second one is asthma, and the third one is lung polyps. There are some explained from our presentation, which is described the air pollution. Thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.